Welcome back, everyone. Today's a very special day. My family and I are going to the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. Sit back, relax, and tag along. Good morning, little one. How are you doing today? Oh, are you excited to go to Walt Disney World? Yeah! And of course, the best part of traveling to Walt Disney World is packing the car, especially when you have a baby. Today we're going to the Magic Kingdom. We are going to see an old family friend and their son. He's Wild Man Judah, so he may be running around a lot. Sean and I always decide to walk into the parks to get our legs warmed up. Plus, there's really normally not a lot of people. Instead of taking the tram and waiting, it's sometimes quicker. But most of the time you get there at the same time anyways. On a side note, it's $25 per car to come in. If you have an oversized car, then it's $50. And for your convenience, a motorcycle is also $25, so you're not really getting any savings from 4 to 2 wheels. After getting through security, walking past the main gate, you have the direct monorail line to Epcot. To the left of that is the monorail line for the Magic Kingdom resorts. And to the left of that is the waiting queue for the ferry. Fun fact about the ferries is they all are named after prominent cast members. For instance, some of them are the original captains from the opening in 1971. It always amazes me how happy and wonderful everyone generally is when going to the Magic Kingdom. We finally made it to the entrance! Note there's no right or wrong way to get in. Find the shortest line and walk calmly. Once you're inside, there's a beautiful little courtyard and gorgeous, huge Christmas tree. And then there's the beautiful Main Street, mirrored after Walt's hometown when he grew up. If you look on the windows, you'll see names of prominent cast members. We decide first to head to the right of the castle as you're walking up into Tomorrowland, with great attractions from the People Mover and the Carousel of Progress. And we have a rare sighting of Stitch from the original Hawaiian Princess film. Last, we have one of the oldest but most fun ride in Tomorrowland, bumper cars. Fun for all ages.
I got it crazy, man! Drive it! Got it crazy! Oh, keep your eyes on the road! Keep your eyes on the road, crazy man! Oh! Who's driving this thing?
The attraction goes right next to the new Tron roller coaster, expected to open in spring 2023. After the jarring ride, we make our way towards the rest of the park.
Bratwurst with sauerkraut and spicy mustard. It was $10.49, no Disney discounts. Comes with tots.
How's the pretzel bread?
It's a lot of bread, but good and hot.
I rode one of the longest attractions here, the bumper cars, go-karts, whatever you want to call them. That was a great time. It's always good for little ones. And after that, we ended up getting lunch, mobile ordered, which is one of the greatest new additions you have for the Walt Disney World technology team via your app. We ended up getting the bratwurst with spicy mustard and tater tots on the side. $10 and absolutely worth every dollar for it. I mean, the normal hot dogs with not a pretzel bun are about 6 to 7. So for an extra 3, you get about 30% more volume. And after lunch, we ended up going to the Dumbo ride. It's our favorite ride!
This way, my friend. I didn't put the seatbelt throughout the entire flight. To make Dumbo fly higher, lift and hold the lever in the up position. Thank you and enjoy the ride on Dumbo!
We went on our favorite ride, Dumbo, and now we're heading over to, what's it called? Pecos-Bill. After walking to Frontierland and then Adventureland, we ended up watching the 3 o'clock parade and making our way out of the park. Here's a couple of the fantastic floats coming down Main Street. They're gorgeous, great characters. It was a lot of fun. And after the 3 o'clock parade, we left the park, hopped back on the ferry, walked through the drizzling rain to our car, and got back to the house. That's where we are now after putting the little one back to sleep. After all, Magic Kingdom is always a happy, magical, wonderful place. And it's okay to leave early as long as everyone's having fun. That's the most important part of any trip to Walt Disney World. For more content about Disney, traveling, favorite places to go, food, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and have a magical rest of your day.